Pull up. Put this cap on real quick. See what we got. All right, let's go ahead and take the wig off the mannequin head. And we're just gonna go ahead and try her on. She lost one of her earrings, but I'll get to her later. But this is it. All right, let's put this bad boy on so we can see. Make sure that's laying flat against the nape. And then just flip the wig over. And we'll see how it looks now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. I did make a good choice by putting this, making the wig roots black. Absolutely, it looks so much better. I can't wait to get it tacked down and really install this wig, and I'll give y'all another visual at a later time. But the next time I install this wig, I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like installed. But definitely the black roots is doing a lot better on this wig. Let me turn around so y'all can see how the back looks. Look at how the back looked the first time I put this wig on. Y'all will see what I'm saying. It was like real ashy back here. It was kind of everything blending in with each other. You couldn't really see the parting or anything really well. So I really believe that this was a good decision that I did to this wig. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. Does the black roots look better than the 27, color number 27? So I believe it does. Y'all drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I will see y'all again when I install this wig. Thank y'all for watching. Peace, y'all. Much better.